Hello, my crafty friends. Welcome to Lenny P's Place. I'm Linda, and I'm so happy that you stopped by today. I hope all is well in your part of the world. Here in North Carolina, it's a bit cold, but the sun is shining. So today is update on my Roxy's Journal of Stitchery, Volume 2. And for the first 2 weeks, the first prompt for November was birds. So, and a belly band. Well, you could do a belly band on the other page, but I chose to go ahead and do mine. So here's my belly band, and here's my birds. So, yeah, I just used an image that I had in my stash. I don't know where it came from, but I just did a little, I did a back stitch, and then I did the wrap, and I don't know what you call that. I'm not real good with my the names of my stitches, but I just wrapped around it, and I just think it gives it a little bit of a better finish. So I did that, and then I went around the trunk of the tree, and then for this was already on here, so I just backstitched around that. So that's my page for the first prompt for November. Now the second prompt was that we just got yesterday was to use Santa Claus. So this is what I've come up with, and this all came out of the same fabric, but I fussy cut the flower out and the bow, and so yeah, that's going to be the second prompt for November. This is going to be my page, and I tried to match it up where it would not clash with this one, and I don't think it does. I think it's gonna be okay, because this is red, and gray and green, and this is red and green, and it's got some blue in it, which I think matches with the gray okay. Yeah, so that's going to be my page, and I'm going to be working on this over Thanksgiving while I'm at my daughter's, so I can get this finished. And then there'll just be December left. I can't believe that the time has went by so fast. This journal here is almost finished, and it's going to be time to get it put into the book here soon. So that's kind of messed up there. So anyway, yeah, that's it. I just wanted to give you an update and show you where I'm at for November. So I guess that is all for today. Yeah, I can't think of anything else I need to tell you about on this. Just pretty simple as usual. I haven't did a lot of fancy stuff in this Christmas journal. I thought I would, but I didn't. I haven't put any lace or anything, and I'm not sure I'm going to. I might just stitch the pages in and leave them as they are. Depends on how much time I have in December, because I want this finished before the first of the year, so we'll see how that goes. So anyway, I just want to say thank you for spending some of your time with me today, and I appreciate it so much. So until next time, I hope you will stay safe, you will be well, and be happy, and I will talk to you later. Bye for now.